Good morning, students. Today, under the unit Computer Authors, we have to learn Chapter 2, Part 1 Designer Skills. Let us see the learning objectives. The first one is Path Tool and how to use the coloring tools, and third one is tracing pictures in GIMP. Let us see the path tool. Look at the icon for the path tool. What is the purpose of using path tool means? Path tool is used to make selections from already existing images. If the pictures already exist means if you want to make any corrections, if you want to edit that picture, you have to use the path tool. Ways of using path tool. There are two different ways used for path tool. The first one is drawing curves and complex shapes. If you want to draw a curve and complex shapes, you have to use the path tool. The next uses to trace the outline shape of an already existing pictures. I already told you if you want to edit some picture means you just use the path tool to trace the outline. Then important point to know that is path tool is most commonly known as pen tool. It is other name for path tool. It is otherwise called as pen tool. Let us see the steps to open GIMP. We already know that there are two different ways used to open the GIMP. If the GIMP icon is available on the desktop, means you just click Start GIMP. Otherwise, Start All Programs GIMP. I just see the screenshot how to open the GIMP. The GIMP starter screen will look like this. Then it is the main screen of the GIMP. If you want to work on the GIMP environment, first you have to open the canvas. So for that, you just move to the file menu, select new option. As well as a new option is selected, create a new image dialog box will appear like this. In the dialog box, if you wish, you just change the height and width. Otherwise, you just click the OK button. Then let us see the screenshot for the create a new image dialog box. The dialog box will look like this. If you want to change the height and width means you just change this and click the OK button. Now the main screen it will look like appear like this. The center white area is called as a canvas. I just zoom the picture that are available in the toolbox. Listen the picture and carefully and just observe the where the path tool is available here. Okay. Now steps to draw a leaf using path tool. How to draw a leaf using path tool? I just explained with the help of a GIMP application. I just open the GIMP. GIMP select the path tool. I just click the path tool and draw a straight line with the help of a path tool. Okay, now if you want to create the upper part of the leaf means you just place the mouse pointer on the middle and drag upwards to create the leaf upper portion. You just drag upward. Again I select the path tool again and place it here. Next I want to create the lower portion. No, I just joint it like this, then drag downwards. Okay, now the leaf can be created. I wish to color the leaf now. For that I just change the outline as dark green and inside I wish to fill it with the light green. Okay, I just change the foreground and background color. Now let us listen the steps how to change the outline or color and how to fill the shape with color. Let us say the steps. First one, go to edit and click stroke path. As well as I just click the stroke path, what will happen means the stroke path dialog box will be open here. I just give the stroke option, then the outline, that four color can be applied to the outline of the shape. Okay, so the dark green color can be applied. Then if you want to fill with light green color means you have to follow some steps. First listen that the tools option, select the selection from path. Okay, you just click the selection from path. As well as if you click it means a dotted line will be appear in the outline shape of the leaf. Then you have to fill it with the help of bucket tool. I just select the bucket tool and click the background color and you have to fill it. Otherwise the next option is select BG color fill option. Then BG color fill option, light green is already available here. I just click it. So this is the steps to draw a leaf with the help of path tool and how to change the foreground color and how to change the background color. That is how to fill the shape with the particular color. Then go to select none. Now I am going to teach you how to trace the outline of the shape and how to fill the shape with another color. For that I just create a new canvas. Change it to white background. Okay, In this, I am going to first download the picture. I already told you in the first chapter, if you want to trace the outline of the picture, means first drag and drop the picture in the drop target area. Here you have to drag and drop it, then you just open it in the canvas portion. For that, I am going to file menu, click open. Where the picture is available, you just select that portion. Picture, I just check the picture, the saved picture. I just select the jellyfish picture. Okay, then click open. So the jellyfishes appear in that portion, the canvas portion now. Okay, now I'm going to trace the outline of this. Let us see the steps. First, I just select the path tool. If you select the path tool, then the design option is enabled in the tools option. Okay, then trace the outline of the jellyfish as you wish. So if you select the outline shape of the picture, any picture, if you want to edit it, means you just trace the outline. If you trace it, means then what option is enabled here in the tools option, design option is available. Okay, then at the last, if you close the picture, move to the tools option and click edit option, then you have to click the final step. Now the jellyfish outline can be traced. If you want to adjust the shape as you wish, if you want to go, I already told you path tool is used to create curves. No, so if you want to mm, uh, change it as a curve position, means you just change your as you wish. Then after selecting finish, means what you have to do means you just click the delete button in your keyboard, so the picture can be deleted now. Then go to edit menu and click stroke path option to draw the outline of the picture. Now I'm going to explain you how to change the picture as you wish. For that, I just select the ellipse select tool. Okay, I just select the ellipse select tool and draw a eye portion. Okay, sorry. Wrongly, I select the freehand tool, free select tool. For now, I select the ellipse select tool. Then draw the eyes like this. Then go to edit, stroke path. No, I just um, go to edit and stroke selection. If you want to give the stroke path, means you just give the stroke path. There is no wrong. It is not a wrong one. Whether you have to give a stroke selection or stroke path, it gives the outline shape. You change the outline shape. I just select the stroke selection option and change the width as you wish. Then give stroke option. Then go to editor and fill it with a I just change the color as background color as red. Okay, so that select the background color as red and fill it with bg color, then select none. I repeat the step again I'm going to ellipse select tool and draw another eye like this. Then go to edit and stroke selection. I give stroke, then edit, fill with bg color and select none. Then I'm going to draw the mouth part. So for that, I just select the free select tool and draw the mouth like this. Then go to edit, strokes selection, stroke. Now I just fill it with black color, so I just select fill with FG color, then go to select none. So this is a step we followed to trace the outline of any picture, and you have to create it as your wish. You just change it as your wish. Now I just explain it with the help of PowerPoint. Let us see how to draw a leaf using path tool. First, draw a line. Select a path tool and draw a line. To draw a leaf, change the foreground color as you wish. Then click upward to draw the upper part of the leaf. Then drag downwards to draw the lower part of the leaf. Then go to edit menu and click stroke path option, and with the help of bucket tool you have to fill the shape with color. I just explained with the help of screenshot. Look at this, the stroke path. Okay, edit stroke path. Whenever you click the stroke path, the stroke path dialog box will look like this. In this you just click the stroke, then look at the picture. How the picture can be changed means it can be changed to dark green color. Okay, like this the picture can be straight. Then if you want to fill the shape with color means you just select the selection from path. Look at the second picture, selection from path option, you just select it. Then go to bucket tool, you just pick the bucket tool and fill it with particular color as you wish. Tracing pictures in GIMP. For that, first load the picture whatever you want to trace it, drag and drop it in the canvas. Then using the path tool you trace the outline of the picture, then press the delete key to remove the picture and stroke the path with color. Then you just change the shape as you wish. I just explained with the help of screenshot. First I just open the picture, then select the path tool, look at the tools option, design mode is enabled, then you have to select it. At the end you just select the edit mode and close the picture, then press the delete key, then the picture can look appear this. Then you just apply the outline. No, for that stroke path you just select it, then the picture can look appear like this. Then I edit the picture like this. Okay, let us see the points to remember. Path tool is used to make selection from already existing images. It can be used in two ways: drawing curves and complex shapes, tracing the outline shape of an already existing picture. It is otherwise called as pen tool. Stroke path option is available in edit menu. Bucket tool is used to fill the shape with color. With the help of bucket tool, we can also color the border. Path tool is also used to draw flowers, leaves, etc. This is the end of the first session. Thank you, students. Thank you.